I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Ritika Zeen Chauhan, and welcome back to my channel. So I have created this purple kind of burgundy eye look with a little bit of eyeliner. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching and please subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. And yeah, for the moisturizer I'm using the good old Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do.
Now for the primer I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer.
Why we lose.
Okay, now for the foundation I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade 06, and I'm gonna mix it with the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Ivory. I don't know why I got this foundation, it's too white, so I'm gonna mix these together and make my own shade. I'm sorry, I actually blended my foundation off the camera, but I blended it with this sponge. It's the Blue Heaven beauty sponge. For the concealer, I'm using this concealer. It's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Page.
If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other.
I'm going to blend my concealer with this brush. It's the Zoeva Concealer Buffing Brush.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
And now to brighten my under, I'm using this concealer. It's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do.
Okay, I'm gonna let my concealer sit there for a while, and for the face I'm using this compact powder. It's the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and I'm using this nameless brush from Amazon to set my face. Now for my under eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light and the same blender.
Till I downfall, my love, if you feel like I do right now.
For the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Miss Claire eyebrow cake, but first I'm gonna comb them and yeah. By the way, the spoolie was from Pro Art, and the brush I'm gonna use is the brush which comes along with this palette.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave them very natural and bushy Okay, now let's move on to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty, and it is called This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. And I don't know, I'm gonna do a purple kind of a look because I'm very attracted to this color, so I'm gonna go with this color. Let's see. Okay, so the rest of the video is going to be the voiceover because I'm very bad at doing and explaining simultaneously kind of a situation. So yeah, the rest of the video is going to be a voiceover. But first I'm going to take this shade. It's called the shade Kohl. It's the blackest black. And I'm going to take it on this eyeliner brush from Zoeva. It's the wing liner brush. It's an angular brush and this is how it looks. This is how the shade looks. And let's go. Okay, so as I said, I'm taking the shade Kohl on my Zoeva liner brush and I'm just putting it halfway through a half eyeliner very close to my lash line, and I'm just creating a kind of a line. Not, you don't have to be perfect, everything will work. Like a eventually we're gonna smudge it up, so everything will work. You just have to create a line. And then I am taking my Nika blending brush and I'm just diffusing, not diffusing, just blending the color. And I'm just taking it slightly to my crease also, not too much, slightly to my crease. And now I'm taking the same color again and just intensifying the color, yeah, on the outer edge. Then repeating the same step, blending and taking it a little bit on my crease also. Okay, so basically you don't have to be precise about blending. Just make sure that blending goes in your crease, not too much. You don't have to be very precise. Just blend the eyeshadow and that's it. And make sure it is on your outer corner, not going towards your lid or something like that. Just blend. Now I'm taking the another brush, the same blending brush, and I have taken the shade, I guess, Pinna Noir, yeah, something like that. And it's kind of a burgundy maroon kind of a shade, and I'm just putting it on the, you know, the black shade. And now I'm taking my Savannah color brush. It's a double-sided brush. One is a flat side and another is the blending side. So I'm taking the blending side of the brush and I'm just blending the eyeshadow in my crease very neatly, not neatly, just blending it and diffusing it. Now I have taken the same shade and just intensifying the color. And then blending again. And yeah, I'm going in what we called it windshield motion. Yeah, so I'm just blending away the eyeshadow and make sure that both the colors mix together very nicely, very well. Now I'm taking the shade Nude and I'm just cleaning up any harsh line and any mess I have done. So yeah, this shade actually helps to, like, you know, clean up your mess. And now I'm taking the shade, I don't know, it's the purple shade, I have to check the name of it. Okay, the shade is called Wild Love and I'm taking it on my small finger, what do you call it, small finger, and I'm just putting it all over my lid. And yeah. Okay, now I'm taking the clean blending brush. It's the Zoeva crease brush and I'm just mixing everything together and just making sure that everything is nice and blended, even the shade Wild Love, and mixing them all together. Now I'm taking the same blending brush by Nika, dusting off the excess, and I've taken the same shade, the burgundy red kind of a, like, you know, Pinot Noir or something like that shade, and I'm just putting it on my lower lash line, thick on the out, and as we go in slightly, we are going to be thin. I don't know how to explain it, so I'm just doing like that. And yeah, now I'm taking the my liner brush and it has the remaining color of, you know, the coal, and I'm just putting it on my outer part of my lower lash line. Okay, now for the voiceover, now I'm confused between Bonfire and Caster Spell. Caster Spell is like ideal for, like, you know, highlighting your inner corners, but I'm gonna go with Bonfire now for today. I don't know why, but Bonfire. And I'm using the Savannah Colors double-sided brush and I'm just taking the shade Bonfire and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. And if you find this side darker than this side, it's because I blocked the light here. so it eventually becomes darker and lighter, like as you can see. This is very light, this is very dark, so trust me, the makeup looks the same on both the eyes.
why we lose.
Now I'm gonna do my other eye of the camera and I'll be right back. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Insta liner in the shade black, and I'm gonna draw a little eyeliner.
I don't know what you want.
So we'll do the mascara afterwards, but for the contouring I'm using this NYX palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. Yeah, I'm gonna use this shade on my Zoeva face curve brush. I'm gonna take very little because I'm not gonna highly contour, just I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna like make some, it's very pigmented anyway. Look, I'm gonna make lines, and I'm gonna blend this out now. And I have no mirror, I don't know how I'm gonna blend it. Yep. So I'm gonna taking the clean side of the brush. This one is the one I used, and this one is the clean side, and I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, now for the blush, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's the new one. I recently got this blush. It's in the shade Rosy Nude, and this is how the blush looks. It's very beautiful, and it's a complete matte blush. Now for the highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. It's my favorite highlighter, and I'm gonna use this brush. It's the Wet n Wild tapered, I don't know, large tapered blending brush. It's an eye brush, but I'm gonna use it for my highlighter because it works great for highlighting, and it's just the perfect brush for highlighting. So yeah, I'm gonna just drop the excess and
Love if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we.
okay, now for the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. It's the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade, I don't know, I will mention the shade name, but it looks something like this. It's a pinky nudie color, and I also recently got this because I really wanted to try this product. So yeah.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you.
Okay, so this lipstick is going very off the look, so I decided to pair up with this one. It is also from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Nude Nuance lipstick, one of my favorites again. And I have a lipstick video also, like top 10 best lipstick something. So you can go and check that out also. And I'm just gonna put it just to like slow this pinkiness down. Okay, so I'm now gonna curl my lashes, and the lash curler is from Shein, which is banned now, and I'm just gonna curl my lashes.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side.
Okay, now for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Brown Mascara. So dude, I did my whole mascara of the camera, and I clearly messed it up, like here, thank god not here. So once it's dried out, I'm gonna like clean the mess. And yeah, this is it. This is for the video, and I'm not gonna set it with the setting spray because I'm just doing it for the video, and I'm just gonna eventually wipe this off. But if I'm gonna set it with setting spray, it is going to be the PAC Micro Finish setting spray. I use this setting spray in some of my videos, so you can obviously go and check them out also. So yeah, and I hope you subscribe. It will mean the world to me. And yeah, thanks for watching, and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.